out? Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another bomb hair review. First of all, I just want to thank all of you guys who was worried about my health, because y'all know I had been sick, and all the well wishes. Thank you guys. Oh girl, your girl is feeling so much better. She been on them antibiotics and them narcotics and my wine, girl, and it just was a perfect and your girl is feeling so much better. But y'all, I will be back with my other videos that you guys love so much. But let's get into the video. Y'all, this wig is a frontal wig, lace front wig from Virgo Hair Company. Y'all know this one of my favorite companies because they gave me my bomb go-to bob wig that was only $50, and a lot of y'all asked me about that wig, so I wanted to try it in their curly. This wig was a 14-inch lace frontal wig. That does mean that it's only lace in the front. It's just a frontal, and the rest are like kind of like tracks. But y'all, this was a 14-inch, and I wanted to get some type of length. I'd rather have more length than it just be too short. But I did end up cutting this wig to this length. It was 14-inch, but it was a little off to me, like with my height and stuff. It just I wanted it a real bob. So what I did was put the hair in a ponytail, and I put it in a low ponytail, and I just cut off the excess hair, and it was still kind of low, like it was all around this length over here. So I took the length off of this side and just let it kind of go down. But y'all, I didn't cut none of this up here. I was thinking about framing my face, but I feel like it already does. Now I want y'all to look at these curls. Girl, this is glued down, and I did have baby hairs, but I kind of combed them out because I kind of wanted a more natural look. But y'all, this remind me of my natural hair, and I did put you know, all my Africa's Miracle products. If you don't know about Africa's Miracle, I will put their information down below. That's what I use on my natural hair, and it did, y'all, it grew my hair so long. That's why my curls, this curl pattern remind me of my hair, because they product even changed my curl pattern. But anyway, let's get into the video. Back on subject. I did use Boho Active. Do I got some up here? Oh no. Boho Active and their and Boho tint spray. You can't see it on this video, sorry, I got too much light in here, but I did use both of those. And it, you know, Virgo Hair, it comes in this box. Well, mine came in this box, or it'll come in a bag, I don't know. I get a lot of different, I order a lot of different hair, so I'm not sure. But this time it came in this box, and it did come with a wig cap, you know, as usual, and a nude cap for me to do my lace on. I did glue this down, and I did use their wig cap, and all I did was bleach the knots on this wig. And I did not pluck any of the hair. All I did was bleach the knots and cut a little bit of baby hairs. I left some hair out to cut baby hairs, and like I said, there was swoop, but I combed them out. But anyway, y'all, I love this hair. It's easy, it's not tangled up, it's just, oh girl, they did it again. I think this wig was $50 too, if I'm not, like, if you get it in a 10-inch. Next time I will get this probably in a 12-inch instead of 14-inch, since I did cut so much of the hair off. But y'all, the hair still comes, like, none of this didn't change. I didn't cut none of this hair up here, but the length, like this length, I didn't cut any of this hair over here either. I just pulled all the longer length. It was more so in the back and stuff. I pulled it to the back and cut it in a put it in a ponytail and cut it to this little bob. So I feel like if you wanted this length, I still would go with a 14, but I mean, you could get a 12, but now I'm scared. I don't know, girl. I think I'll still do a 14. But y'all, this hair is super soft. Oh my God. And you can't even tell that it's tracks in the back. It's still, because the hair is still full. But y'all, I didn't know how this hair was gonna turn out. And I'm not y'all know I'm not a professional. Come on out. I've just gotten better at doing my hair, because I normally wouldn't try to lay my own frontal down, not with curly hair or anything like that. But this turned out super cute, and the curls are so juicy. Oh, and sometimes I feel like with shorter wigs, the curls always be better, because you don't got to worry about all that length. So I feel like they take their time more sometime on curly wigs that's shorter. But y'all, this was a 14-inch, okay? A 14-inch. I think it is 13 by 4 frontal. Like I said, all I did was bleach the knots, and then I sprayed the caramel lace tint on there. Or you could use your own foundation. I just sprayed the lace tint on there and let it dry. But y'all, I did cut it into this little cute little bob. I would recommend this hair because it is so soft and juicy. Like I said, all I did was spray, wet it and spray some of the Africa's Miracle products on there and let it air dry, and it came out like this. I do not know how to cut hair or anything, so this wig is beginner friendly. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Virgo hair and about this wig. I think, like I said again, I think the 14-inch might be $50 or $60 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if their prices have changed or not, but all the links to everything I talked about in this video will be in the description below. Again, shout out to Virgo Hair for this gorgeous hair and boho, because this wig ain't going nowhere. Come on out. Y'all, I'm feeling myself. This is so cute. Oh my God. Oh, I'll let y'all see the back too. This is the back. And like I said, it's full enough curls to hide the tracks. It's not a thin wig. And I did not do any of the cutting right here. All I did, I pulled the hair back into a ponytail and just cut. And it came out like this, y'all. But let me know if you like this hair on me. Comment, like, subscribe. And thanks again, y'all.